Okay, you want to put the bench a little upward so it can support your butt. 45-degree angle on the bench here. We're going to hit an incline. Go ahead, lie down. You want to make sure you set up the bench where when you lie down, it's lined up with about 2 inches above your nipple, so it hits the upper part of that chest. Now, we need 90-degree angles, so make sure you go like this and then grab the bar right there, so when you come down to 90-degree angle. For him, his ring finger goes on the line of the bar. If you look at the bar, there's usually a line. Go ahead, unclip it off of there. Perfect. Now, shoulders tuck them down, breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up, come down to about 1 inch off of your chest, bam, right there, and push it up. Make sure your elbows are under your wrist. So in other words, your elbows under the bar. A lot of people keep their elbows back. That's going to hurt your shoulder. We want to work that chest. So tuck down the shoulder, get that elbow lined up with that upper part of your chest, and come down. So shoulders are down, come down, inch off the chest. Breathe in, blow out, and squeeze. Make sure you don't waddle around in the chair. Keep your feet planted as well. Now let's watch him do a few reps with his head nice and straight. Wrists are not moving. A lot of people do this with their wrist on this machine, especially because you bring it out. Make sure you bring it out, set up where your wrist is nice and straight. So now we're going to show you how to re-rack the machine. So you come up and then you just turn back and clamp it right on and you're done with it.